Human ambition pushes further every day, and that ambition needs precision. But when precision fails, industries stop. So what do we do here at I&M Engineering? The simplest answer, on-site and off-site machining. But that's just a doorway to what we truly do, specializing in precision machining, and we take that word very seriously. Here we have two locations, one standard, precision. We fit and align centrifugal pumps that keep water flowing, power generating, industries moving. And this is what we do off-site. From raw material through every precise cut to finished perfection. The same precision mindset that we take everywhere we work. Our job isn't just to make parts. Our job is to keep the machines that keep society running. But precision doesn't come from machines alone. It comes from people. Which is why we celebrate as hard as we work. Because the bonds we build here are what makes the precision out there possible. So whether we're saving a pump or creating perfection in our workshop, we're doing one thing, keeping the world's machines running. We operate in the hidden world of heavy industry where precision isn't a luxury, it's survival mode every time. We are serving the industries that matter: mining, transportation, power generation, and every sector where failure isn't an option. This is I&M Engineering. Precision is our universe.